solve problem. ஆனால் population shortage இல்லை globally. 8 billion hitting a big thing. அதனால concern elderly population increasing. அதுவும் எல்லா இடம் யூஸ். இப்போ எனக்கு பழனியாரண்டு டாஸ்மிலேருந்து வந்திருக்க கனடாவிலேருந்து அது சொன்னாங்க 80 மட்டும் வேலை செய்யலாம். இங்கே எக்ஸ்டென்ஷனில் நிற்கிறத நான் கழிக்கிறேன். ஸோ டோன்ட் வரி. So that's another issue. Elderly population also very useful. So human beings are useful. The creator's creation is actually, I'm a mathematician, this entire universe originated from a point. It's a singularity, it's a big bang. It came out, space, fire, air, water, land and so on. I learned the life and the origin of life, the book you read, that's in Greek's original life. So it's come from evolution. So this evolution, what's the problem? Human being has a problem. Others are no fertility problem. My dog Lucy wouldn't have any problem. நான் லேபர் ரூமுக்கு போனதில் லூசி 4 குட்டியும் போடக்க ஒரு பலூனாக வந்து விழுந்தது. அங்கே ஒரு க்ளீனப்பும் செய்யத்தது. இப்போ தானே சாப்பிட்டு அதெல்லாம் அப்படியே கேர் பண்ணி கொண்டு போகுது. அது மாதிரி நான் பசுக்கு செய்திருக்கிறேன், ஆட்டுக்கு செய்திருக்கிறேன். எங்கள் வீட்டெல்லாம் வளர்த்துனாங்க. எங்கள் வீட்டு அம்மா 19 வயதில் கல்யாணம் கட்டி 43 வயது மட்டும் அடுத்தடுத்து பெருசமாட்ட பிள்ளை. ஒன்றும் சிசேரியன் இல்லை. இப்போ டாக்டர்ஸ் முதலே சிசேரியனை பிளான் பண்ணிடணும். The financial reason, that reason is a big business, a confusion. I'm telling you, as a by chance, I'm a social animal. An Aadhaar card or a credit card. So, insurance. These problems are there. It's a human being problem. Otherwise, the project creation is not a problem. Even Corona we want to kill. No. What do you call it? Genes recombinate and new variation come. Even virus we are struggling. Eradication. Because they know. Even the world TB they held, the bacillus, it hibernate, it come back. So why do you worry about the creation? Only the survival. Because it's the 4th industrial revolution take place. Artificial intelligence coming in. Cloning has come in. I was in Edinburgh. Even I myself, Bhavani madam is here. In 1992, my wife was not conceiving. So we had problems. So we went there. At the time we didn't have a book. So Balagobi and Rauram, congratulations. At least madam would have given me a book at the time. Then I was ended up with so many places. Nungambakam, Edinburgh, Australia, Westmeath. Then nothing happened. All the time there were sort of assisted conception failure. Even the cloning biology lab, I was there. I was a product from Edinburgh University in my PhD. You know, all the FRCS people come to Edinburgh. One of the Royal Medical Colleges there. So the scientists work this cloning from a small lab. It's less than this stadium. It's not like the auditorium. So state-of-art technology and biologists, like our PCR people working on the microbiology laboratory. So today surrogacy has come. Even our Nungambakam, our people are cheated. You don't know what sperm bank they are borrowing this. Our people coming from Switzerland and having a baby and going like their baby. I have my doubts. Even egg, you don't know what's happening. So our people are in a pathetic situation. It doesn't matter, especially our people. So the Nungambakam, I don't know, I want to say the name of the hospital. I can relate if you want the Gemini, but you know, there are all sorts of things are going on. Even surrogacy cases are going on. In West now, their method is different. Now West, you know, the developed countries, they have an assisted fertility center. As is Dr. Satyamurthy, think about it. Now a lot of private money is flowing. It's like a big business. So assisted fertility center is there. It's a dedicated center. So they start from the beginning. So from there they help the people. Because it's a big problem for the families and the couple concerned. So that's what this book will help all the people to know, because the assimilation of knowledge coming from hearing, the consultant may tell the basics and give the book. When I was in Edinburgh, I was issued a book. I couldn't find the book. I went to the bookshop and got this. Then I became a little bit expert on endometriosis because I read the book. It was published in publishers. So that was on English. So that is social groups. So we had to work it out. We can't tell our society what the issue is. So, but this knowledge is the way for the progress. So hearing, then the consultant doctors guide us. Then, of course, they can't have big session like, discussion session, dialogue session. So they give you prescribed books. So today there is a book coming. So another book coming from Gurubaran. So we are looking forward to another on the this perennial noise sambandhappetta pirachanagal. Now the human abuse. I had a cow that's only asked for sex to conceive. So எங்களுக்கு தெரியும் எங்களோட லக்ஷ்மி அதை கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ நாங்கள் அதை கன்சீவ் பண்ணால் அது பேசாமல் பிறகு 10 மாதத்தில் பிள்ளையும் பாருங்க. Now sex is abuse. The contraception also coming in. Another side. Then related studies. So human being, they use sex as a kind of a pleasure seeking. Not with any other living beings. Even Shastra is not recommended. So we are in a crossroad. I don't know how we come out of it, but keep on evolving. But we are the best creation of the Lord. And among our creation, the God is very pleased with 3 M's. Sometimes I say 2 M's, sometimes I say 3 M. One is mathematics, other one is music, other one is medicine. The God created man, the man created mathematics, because the word operates the laws, the governing laws of this nuclear decay. It's a rate of change, dn by dt, we write minus lambda n, or this electric pulse and this attraction, gravitation, these are governed by law. Even the earth goes around the sun in an ellipse. This object even engineers won't understand. Look at the mathematics. We define the point first. Then we define the straight line, 2 points. When we define the triangles, when we define the quadrilateral, that's the way the geometry developed. Now the mathematics is the big thing in the entire the electromagnetic, the devices, and today in the artificial intelligence technology. I finish it off. The 4th revolution, industrial revolution taking place. The robots are coming. But the thing is, one robo of one intelligence standard, one label, robo has different standard. One similar standard cannot mend other robo. But as a human being, the doctors, you are mending us. This engine, one of the top engine ever created. It has everything. All the engineering, all the technology, all the physics, all the chemistries. So biology, everything is there. So the doctors are the one really dedicate themselves to mend this machine. So one man mend other man, not by stopping him, just while being alive. So this has been taking place. So we are progressing, but we always catch things late. We have smartphone now, but 20 years ago, people in Australia and England and New York, they had a smartphone. So we have desktop now. This desktop book 30 years ago in somewhere. Similarly, this assisted conception technology and state of lab is not a problem. Money is not the problem, I tell you.